good team you have, and all products very well displayed and well systematic also. So spacious this place it is.
Thank you so much.
I'm the store owner. I have opened this branch in Fatodra. Reason being that I just want everyone near in this locality that the medicine should be provided day and night, and that is the motto of the Wellness Forever, that we provide day and night service. We provide day and night medicines to near the catchment, near the locality, everywhere, and that is why wellness is spreading in every locality nearby. We are trying to catch each and every area in Goa. And secondly, this is the 29th branch of Goa, and I am very much overwhelmed, very much happy, and very much that I can do some service for the society, that I have opened this shop in Fatodra today. Today is the inauguration day, and I'm really happy for it.
A very good evening to one and all. We have upcoming store in Fatodra. We have a motto to serve the mankind and to provide services and products to everyone around us, because the service to humanity, to mankind, is the biggest service on earth. We are blessed that we have got an opportunity to open a store like this, and we are thankful to the team of Wellness who have really helped us in this upcoming project. Thank you, and welcome one and all to our store. Thank you.
हाय, ये हमारा गोवा में 29वां स्टोर है वेलनेस फॉरएवर का। ऑल ओवर हम लोग वेलनेस में 24/7 सर्विसेज देते हैं, फ्री होम डिलीवरी देते हैं, और हमारे इधर लाइफस्टाइल प्रोडक्ट रिलेटेड स्किन केयर, कलर कॉस्मेटिक, मेंस ग्रूमिंग एंड हाउस होल्डिंग, जो डेली सुबह से नाइट तक जो भी अपने को लाइफस्टाइल प्रोडक्ट लगते हैं वो सब रेंज अपने पास अवेलेबल है। और हम लोग इंश्योर करते हैं कि जो कोल्ड स्टोरेज है वो प्रॉपर मेंटेन किया जाए, और कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन हमारे इधर देने की पूरी कोशिश रहती है। जो भी मेडिसिन हमारे पास अवेलेबल नहीं है, हम लोग वो 2 घंटे में अवेलेबल करके फिर डिलीवरी करवा देते हैं। थैंक यू।
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.